Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by DEWALT. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance 2 next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt MAX Extreme Runtime Lithium Ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887. With next-generation DEWALT XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built, guaranteed tough, by DEWALT.
The Bosch 12-volt MAX Lithium Ion impact driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. Universal quarter-inch hex bit holder. Delivers a powerful 930 inch-pound of max torque. Patented 3 LED light ring. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt MAX Lithium Ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size. A tool for any job. The power you need. The 12-volt MAX Lithium Ion impact driver.
Bosch. Invented for life.
Hey, thank you for coming to check out the Bosch CLPK27-120 12-volt max combo kit, which has the PS21 2-speed pocket driver with the PS41 quarter-inch impact driver. This combination is perfect for most tradesmen because these tools were engineered to deliver power while still being lightweight and compact. The PS21 pocket driver weighs in at just 1.8 pounds, while still delivering 265 inch-pounds of torque. The compact and lightweight design allows you to reach into those tight areas and corners or work overhead. It's got 2 speeds that let you drill and drive up to 2 times faster. 20 plus 1-clutch settings lets you adjust torque for precise screw driving. This is the PS41. It's an impact driver and it's small and very impressive. It weighs only 2.2 pounds, but it can still perform up to 80% of all impact driver applications. With the Bosch designed hammer anvil system, it can produce double the torque of a gear-driven system. 930 inch-pounds of torque, it gives you the necessary power to drive and remove lag screws. 2600 RPM lets you drill and drive faster than you would with other tools in the same category. Both the PS21 and the PS41 have LEDs on the front of the tool to light up your work area, and the PS41 has a fuel gauge to track the status of your battery charge. This kit not only includes these 2 high-performance tools, but also 2 12-volt max batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. So that's it, the CLPK27-120 12-volt max combo kit. For more information on this kit, see this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch 12-volt cordless power tools.
Porter Cable is proud to announce the next tool in the launch of the next generation cordless platform powered by its new 20-volt max system, the PCC640. This impact driver is a key tool to the launch of the new 20-volt max platform and has grown in popularity due to its compact size, power, and no reactionary torque. When your primary application is fastening, speed is critical. The high-performance motor and transmission on this impact driver have been optimized to deliver 1,450 inch-pounds of max torque, up to 2,900 RPM, and up to 3,100 BPM, guaranteed to get the job done fast. Tight spots are not a problem. The PCC640 measures 6.2 inches from the chuck to the rear of the motor. While weighing in at 3.2 pounds, it is sure to help minimize fatigue during extended use. The Porter Cable impact driver also provides all the right features for users to complete their applications, including a one-handed quick change quarter-inch hex chuck, battery fuel gauge, LED work light, 2 magnetic bit tip holders, belt clip, and rubber bumpers on the side of the tool. In addition, the new 20-volt max system is powered by a compact 1.5 amp hour lithium ion battery. Time is money, and Porter Cable delivers the speed, ergonomics, ease of use, and value demanded on any job site. So if you think that your tool should work just as fast as you, be small and light enough to carry around, and deliver the features that help you complete your job, try the new Porter Cable 20-volt max impact driver. We are confident you will be back for the entire
Complete tough fastening tasks using the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max brushless impact driver kit. This tool produces plenty of torque to drive heavy-duty fasteners, and a quick-release chuck allows you to change bits with one hand. It includes an LED light that helps provide illumination in dark work areas. This kit includes 2 powerful V20 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries with LED state-of-charge indicators. When the workday is done, it's easily stored within reach for the next job. When you need to conquer the job, reach for powerful tools like the V20 20-volt max quarter-inch impact driver kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system.
Presenting the all-new professional impact driver by GALAX PRO. Part of the GALAX PRO drill series, all powered by 20-volt max streamlined time lithium-ion batteries designed to meet your needs. With extremely high impact torque, this tool is specifically engineered to drive home all your screws with minimum effort. Compact DC professional impact driver features precision drive torque control engineered to help prevent strip fasteners. The lithium-ion battery is a 1.3 amp hours professional DC 20-volt battery. Smart electronics and temperature control guarantee optimum safety for all your GALAX PRO tools by GALAX PRO.